Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the Sula Vineyards IPO, whether we are going to apply in this IPO or not. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. And now talking about the Sula Vineyards, they are the largest wine producers and sellers of India, and the company was established in 1999 in Nashik by Mr. Rajiv Samant. This company holds 52% of market share in Indian wine industry, and you can see that they have been selling a lot of different products in wine where they are selling red wine, white wine, and they have major 56 products across their cluster. Now, how the Sula Vineyards earn money? One, by selling wines, one being a largest distribution network for even private brands as well. And they have started their business of wine tourism and tasting recently, which is again a profitable business for the company after the COVID-19. You can see that there has been a lot of resorts where you can book and stay in these vineyards. Apart from this as well, you can plan your events and wedding in these places. Looking at the Sula Vineyards IPO, you can see that the company financials has improved yearly, where you will see that the company had a loss of 15.94 crore rupees in 31st March 2020, which has increased to the level of 52.14 crore in the 31st March of 2022. The company borrowing has been reduced, but it is not negligible, but it is a positive sign that the company is reducing their borrowing. The net worth of the company has been increasing, and as of now, the company stands with a net worth of 450 crores approximately. Looking at the objectives of the IPO, the company will not receive any proceeds of the offer for sale by the selling shareholders. Well, the company is coming out with a 1,000 crore IPO roughly. You can see that the value of the IPO is 960 crore rupees, and the price band for the company setup is 340 rupees to 357 per share. If you are someone who is interested in Sula Vineyards or believe in the company's business, you can definitely put or apply in this IPO at a upper price band, and you will have a good chance to get this IPO. Now talking about the issue type, offer for sale, the whole category of the shares which are going to come in the IPO is from the offer for sale, which means that the company promoters are going to get all of the money from the share or the IPO. Looking at the opening date of the IPO, the opening date is 12th December and the closing date is 14th December. If you're interested in applying in this IPO, you can apply in these dates. The basis of allotment will take place on December 19, and if you get the IPO, then the shares will be credited to your demat on December 21, else you will get a refund by 21st of December. The one lot of this particular IPO stands for 14,994, roughly 15,000 you must have in your account, and if you are applying in HNI's category, then you have a minimum lot of 2,09,916 rupees. Now, these are things about IPO which I wanted to discuss, but why I believe that Sula Vineyards can be one of the best alcohol company, or you can say that the wine company which will ever list in Indian market. Well, as we know that the company has been doing well and the wine market share is expanding not only in India but globally, and the company or according to the World Health Organization, the consumption of wine has risen from 8.6% to 11.17%, and I believe that this particular share or this particular facts of consumption of alcohol is going to increase even in future. Whereas I see a very positive future for wine industry as well, because even in a country like India, we have started to accepting wines, not only domestic wines, even we have started exporting wines which are selling at a great price, and people are ready to pay good amount of money for good wine. Now talking about the competitors of Sula Vineyards. Yes, the major competitor for Sula Vineyard are United Spirits, United Breweries, and Bredico Khaitan, which are already listed in the stock market exchange of India. Now, the Sula Vineyards is currently coming at a valuation of roughly 51, and rest of the companies are having their valuation, or the PE is United Spirits being 61, United Breweries being 84.8, and Bredico Khaitan being 61.7. In comparison to its peers, the valuation is good for the company, though there has been not a good jump in the grey market premium of this particular company. I'll take you to the grey market premium of the Sula IPO as well, where you will see that the grey market for the Sula Vineyards is 34 rupees on the price band of 357, which means that the company is giving you a profit of 10% right now, and it is subject to change. I believe if in the coming days the market gonna fall, then definitely this particular grey market premium will fall with market, and there are chances that Sula might list with 0 to negative listing. Well, I believe in this particular business, so I'm not completely ruling out the possibility of applying in this particular IPO. I like the company, I like the valuations in in the sector it is coming. I will give it 2 days, basically like 12th and 13th. You can see how the IPO is doing in comparison to the amount of time it has been subscribed, and then think about applying or not applying on the last day. So I will hold till last day, and I will reveal whether I'm going to apply in this IPO or not prior to the last day, and definitely you can check that video. If you have good amount of money and if you want to go into the SME IPO, then the Dronacharya Aerial Innovation is one of the best IPO which is coming in the market in the SME category with a grey market premium of 120%, which is humongous. Again, that the grey market premiums are subject to change, but I believe that if you are someone who can go and deposit or apply with 1.2 lakh rupees of money, then definitely one lot of Dronacharya Aerial Innovation is good to bet for. I hope I was able to give you a good overview of Sula Vineyards IPO and what is happening in the market. I believe that the market is going to correct in coming days, and due to which that the grey market can be tricky or can be in tricky situation. You can totally avoid this IPO as well. I don't see massive gains in this particular IPO. Limited gains can be there, but if you like this particular business, then definitely you can think about buying this particular company once it gets listed on the stock exchange. That's it for today, and I hope you like this video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you.